What if I told you there's a star so enormous that if it replaced our sun, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and even Jupiter? Meet Scuti, one of the largest stars ever discovered. It's so massive that it defies imagination, stretching the limits of what we thought stars could be. But how big is too big? Could Scuti be nearing its final explosive end? And what would happen if a star this enormous went supernova? Let's journey to the far reaches of our galaxy and uncover the mysteries of Scuti. Tucked away in the constellation Scutum, about 9,500 light-years from Earth, lies the colossal Scuti. Discovered in 1860 by German astronomers, Scuti might not look particularly special in a telescope, but don't let its appearance fool you. This star holds the title for being one of the largest known stars in the universe by volume. It's a red supergiant, meaning it's an old, bloated star near the end of its life. Its radius is estimated to be 1,700 times the size of our Sun. If placed at the center of our solar system, it would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. That means if you could fly a plane around Scuti at the speed of a commercial jet, it would take you over 2,000 years just to complete one lap. Now that's big. But there's more to this stellar behemoth than just size. To truly understand Scuti's scale, let's compare it to some familiar celestial objects. Earth's diameter, about 12,742 kilometers. Our Sun, about 1.4 million kilometers across. Scuti, a staggering 2.4 billion kilometers in diameter. That's so large that over 5 billion suns could fit inside it. Even compared to other massive stars like Betelgeuse or VI Canis Majoris, Scuti remains a top contender for the largest known star. But how did it get this massive? Scuti wasn't always this huge. Like all stars, it started as a dense cloud of gas and dust. Collapsing under its own gravity, it ignited nuclear fusion, converting hydrogen into helium, just like our Sun. Over millions of years, it burned through its fuel, expanding dramatically as it aged. Today, it's in its red supergiant phase, where its outer layers have ballooned outward, making it one of the largest stars in the galaxy. But here's the catch. Scuti is running out of time. Scuti's sheer size is a sign that it's nearing its final days in cosmic terms. And when it reaches the end of its life, it won't go quietly. Scientists believe that within the next few million years, Scuti will explode in a powerful supernova, one of the most violent events in the universe. The explosion will outshine entire galaxies for weeks. It will release more energy in seconds than our Sun will in its entire lifetime. The core will likely collapse into a neutron star or even a black hole. Fortunately, Scuti is far enough away that its explosion won't harm Earth, but it will create an incredible light show for any future civilizations watching from our galaxy. While Scuti is one of the largest known stars, could there be even bigger ones out there? Some stars like Stephenson 218 or WOHG 64 might be larger in diameter, but estimates are uncertain. The title for the most massive star goes to R136A1, which is about 315 times the mass of our Sun, but 9 million times brighter, but it's much more compact. And Stephenson 218, on the other hand, is largest by sheer volume with a radius of approximately 2,150 times larger than the Sun. This means Scuti isn't necessarily the most massive, but in terms of sheer volume, it remains one of the largest stars humanity has ever discovered. Studying Scuti isn't just about breaking size records, it's about understanding how stars live and die. Its unstable atmosphere gives us insight into how massive stars lose mass before going supernova. Its composition and brightness variations help astronomers predict when it might explode, and its eventual fate will give us clues about what happens when the biggest stars in the universe finally meet their end. So what have we learned about Scuti? It's one of the largest stars ever discovered, stretching beyond Jupiter's orbit. It's a red supergiant nearing the end of its life. In the next few million years, it will go supernova, leaving behind a neutron star or black hole. While Scuti may not exist forever, its legacy will shine for millennia, a reminder of the sheer power and beauty of the cosmos. What do you think? Would you want to witness the explosion of a star like Scuti? Let me know in the comments. And if you love exploring the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an interstellar adventure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.